What's up, Nessa Gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's good? Make sure that thumbs up, subscribe, and be a part of Nessa Gang, because Nessa Gang is the latest gang of all gangs. Today, y'all here to see how I did this little hairstyle, a time lapse. This is what the edge is looking like. This is what they're looking like. I added some weave to the bottom. This is her natural hair. Give it a thumbs up if you like what you see, and I'll see you in a second. Hi.
Sit on my bed, I got nothing to do. Take out my phone, 1 second, right to you. I'm really bored, please don't ignore. Started as fun, now I randomly know you love rainy days and you still live at home. It's cool to see you're real with me. Oh no, we've never met and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. 'Cause I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, 'cause you're really cute. I think instead I'll slide into you DMs like I said. I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. Been a few weeks and we're keeping this up. Difficult to deny we're on the cusp of something more. Can't be ignored. I let you know every part of me. All of the nuances no one else sees. We talk all night, I read then type. Oh no, we've never met and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. 'Cause I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, 'cause you're really cute. I think instead I'll slide into you DMs like I said. I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I really like you, yeah, yeah. I really, 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 really like you. I really like you. I really like you. Like, I really like you. I really like you. Like, I really like you. I really like you. Like, I really like you. I really like you. I don't wanna go out, I just wanna stay at home. Wear my favorite robe tonight, I'm partying alone, yeah. I'm so bored of going to all the sweaty clubs. I'm just gonna order takeout and chill on my couch, yeah. I'm not looking at my phone. Won't text back, pick up your call. If you wanna hit me up, well I don't really care. 'Cause I'm having a house party, not staying up till morning. Sleep then I watch a movie. I do what I want, yeah, I do what I want. 'Cause I'm having a house party and no one else can join me. Just gonna keep it low-key. I do what I want, yeah, I do what I want. 'Cause I'm having a house party. I don't feel like talking, I just wanna hang with me. Dance around the kitchen, then we'll binge on some TV, yeah. I'm so over faking my life on the internet. Wear no makeup or high heels tonight, I can forget, yeah. I'm not looking at my phone. Won't text back, pick up your call. If you wanna hit me up, well I don't really care. 'Cause I'm having a house party, not staying up till morning. Sleep then I watch a movie.
Give 5. Give 5. Give 5. Found it. Boom. Let me do a turn. A little spin. A little spin. Do a little spin. So this is what it came out to. I was like taking my time, and it would have been a lot quicker if I wasn't taking my time on the parts, and it still wasn't perfect. Her hair is super thick, but when you brush it out, it's like, I don't know how to describe her hair. It's just like amazing. I had to put some edges because her aunt and dad kept saying she looked like a little boy with the cornrows, but I think it's cute. I think it's adorable. She has the perfect head, the perfect complexion. I didn't put any weave on her head. I only did it on the attach so it looks fuller. I didn't put it on here either because I wanted it to be kind of thin, but the rubber band looks thicker than her actual hair, so maybe next time I'll add like a little bit. And it was kind of hard for me to attach them. The hair that I was working with was kind of like coarse, and I just wanted to get done with it, but they actually don't look that bad. I think it can pass for her real hair. The last time I put weave in her hair, everybody thought it was her real hair.
Oh, you did her edges.
I told you that. So yeah, this whole look took about 2 hours, I want to say. I am excited to see how long these last. I'm pretty sure it's gonna last about a week and a half with her bonnet. It's just her edges might be a little bit cray. Now I'm about to do my nails finally. Mama gotta be cute too. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It helps me. I am trying to make money right now, so giving it a thumbs up, rewatching my videos, watching other ads help. And yeah, I love you, Vanessa gang. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.